because I have been trained in Bharatanatyam and I come to help teach classes here at the Balasaraswati school in Chennai. But this time my experience was very different because I had a terrible fall and I broke the top of my femur, the trochanter. I fractured it. But I was very, very fortunate to have found Dr. Raj Kanna as my surgeon. And so 2 weeks ago, actually 15 days, he did the surgery, and now I feel really, really, really good about my progress. And I feel very fortunate to have found Dr. Raj. Not only was he the surgeon at the hospital, but he was on phone contact with us every single day, checking on us. And for the first time, I felt it impossible to go back to the hospital to get these dressings and changed, and Dr. Raj was kind enough to actually come to the home. And then he also connected me with a very qualified physiotherapist. So since this happened, I've been progressing very well. I'm actually going back to the United States in about 10 more days, no, I guess 7 more days. And within a few months, I hope I can resume all of my work teaching dance and also dancing. So thank you so much, Dr. Raj Kanna. I'm so appreciative. Cannot tell you.
So, Mr. Roger, do you want to add anything?
I can just say a few words. I'm the observer here at all these activities, and the immense help and support and friendliness that we received here was overwhelming.
That's true. I mean, it would be, I think it would have been much more difficult if this had happened to me in the United States. I've received so much extra care. It's hard to put into words. I'm not prepared. I'm not coming into
this
personal
touch. It's the personal touch.
Yes, very much the personal touch, and a feeling of confidence that the doctor exuded was very much appreciated. Thank you so much, Doctor.